Forget everything you knew about treating the common cold. These 4 points on your face are stronger than any pills. They can trigger a natural healing mechanism that doctors will not tell you about. The first point is intan. Here is the intersection of the most important nerve endings. A 30-second massage of this point will improve blood flow to the sinuses, relieve headaches, and help the body fight the virus. A point of clear breathing at the tip of the nose. Massage here instantly reduces swelling of the mucous membrane by 40. Paired Baitun points are located where the nasal passages connect with the sinuses. A minute massage of these points increases local blood flow by 2.5 times, literally washing out inflammation. The temporal points of Taiyang are where the trigeminal nerve passes. Massage of these areas triggers a cascade of anti-inflammatory reactions. In a minute, you will feel how easily your nose breathed and your head became clear. Regular use of this technique reduces the frequency of colds by 47%. Attached.